What you doing? Cutting the onion? Good girl. Hi YouTube, welcome to Cooking with Britt. Say hi. Britt's cooking today Chinese spare ribs with pork fried rice. Show them your ingredients. She has pork. She has some onion, celery, scallion, ginger, say ginger, garlic, 2 eggs, say sugar, say carrots, corn, oil, and teriyaki, soy sauce, and rice. Okay, we'll show you how we cook it. Is it going to be good? Say be right back. Look at me. Say hi. Wave.